In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version in your browser, the process is very similar, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Signing out is especially important if you're on a shared or public computer, or if you use multiple accounts and need to switch between them safely. Let's start with Microsoft Teams on your desktop and in your web browser, because the steps here are basically the same. Go ahead and open Microsoft Teams. Once it's open, look toward the very top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see your profile area. Depending on your setup, this might show your photo, your initials inside a colored circle, or sometimes just a generic user icon. Move your mouse up to that profile picture or icon and click it. When you do, a small menu will drop down. This menu usually shows your name, your email address or account, and a few options related to your profile and settings. In this menu, look carefully for the option labeled Sign Out. It's often near the bottom of the list, so if you don't see it immediately, just glance down the menu until you find it. Once you see Sign Out, click it. As soon as you click Sign Out, Teams will begin closing your current session. On the desktop app, the window may close completely, or it may return you to a sign-in screen where you can choose to log in again with the same or a different account. In a web browser, you may be redirected to a page confirming that you've signed out, or back to a login page. If your organization uses multiple Microsoft accounts or you share a device, this is a good moment to double-check that the correct account has been signed out. If you still see your information on the screen, you can close the browser tab or the application window to be extra safe. If you plan to sign back in later, you can simply reopen Teams and enter your credentials again. But if you're done for the day or leaving a shared device, signing out this way helps keep your information and conversations secure. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Sign Out, you can quickly and safely log out of Microsoft Teams on both desktop and web.